My name is Vani Karwad from BSc 6th semester. Assignment topic is nuclear chemistry, nuclear instability, nuclear fission and fusion, nuclear reactors. Nuclear chemistry. Definition of nuclear chemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with nuclear structure and nuclear reactions is called nuclear chemistry. Structure of atom. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Symbol Z. Mass number is the sum of the total numbers of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Symbol A. A is equal to Z plus N. Neutron number is the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. N is equal to A minus Z. Composition of nucleus of an atom. The nucleus of an atom consists of a tightly packed arrangement of proton and neutron. These are the two heavy particles in an atom, and hence 99.9% of the mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Of the two, the proton possesses a net positive charge, and hence the nucleus of an atom is positively charged on the whole, and the negatively charged electrons revolve around the center nucleus. The protons are in such close vicinity to each other inside the tiny nucleus. Therefore, the electrostatic force of repulsion also acts inside the nucleus. The total number of protons in a nucleus is equal to the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus, and hence the atom on the whole is electrically neutral. Isotopes are the atoms of the same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Isobars. Isobars are the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic number. Isotones. Isotones are the atoms of different neutrons number but different atomic number and the different mass number. Nuclear stability. Radius of an atom 10 raised to 10 m equal to 10 raised to 8 cm. Radius of nucleus 10 raised to 15 meter equal to 10 raised to 11 centimeter. A is equal to nuclear force. B is equal to mass, detect and binding energy. C is equal to neutron to proton ratio. D odd or even number of proton per neutron. Mass defect. Definition of mass defect may be defined as the difference between the theoretical calculated mass and actual isotopic mass, observed mass of an atom. This diagram is nuclear fission diagram. Nuclear fission. A reaction in which an atomic nucleus of an radioactive element splits by bombardment from an external source with a simultaneous release of large amounts of energy used for electric power generation. Chain reaction. A chain reaction occurs when a critical mass of uranium undergoes fission, releasing a large amount of heat and energy that produces an atomic explosion. Nuclear fission. The process of splitting of nuclei of heavy atom into two nuclei of comparable masses is called nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is generally accompanied by emission of one or more neutrons. The nuclei with mass number are over 200 when bombarded with subatomic particles like neutrons or other particles with sufficient energy show fission process. Nuclear reactors, short notes points. Definition: a nuclear reactor is a device used to produce controlled nuclear fission reactions. It generates heat energy which is converted into electricity. Principle of a nuclear reactors based on nuclear fission of heavy atom like uranium 235. A chain reaction is maintained but carefully controlled. Main components of nuclear fuel, usually uranium 235 or plutonium 239, undergoes fission to release energy. Moderator slows down fast neutrons, helps sustain chain reaction. Example: water, heavy water, graphite. Control rods absorb excess neutron, control the rate of reaction made of cadmium or boron.